Now, whilst making your own salt is, an interesting science experiment and also, kind of thrifty, I don't want to give my money to the man, so I'm going to make my own salt. You shouldn't do this because I'm going to tell you why. But do you know the drill? First we hydrate and then we educate. You see, normal table salt that you get in your pantry or at the supermarket, whatever, it is filtered a lot of times because modern day oceans can be described as very, very disgusting soup. It's not just water and salt, it's a myriad of different things. Most of it today is pollution put there by yours truly, humanity. Whilst the salt in my grinder may be labelled as sea salt, it more than likely is either from a brine field, where they evaporate brine, which is a super salty fluid, which they usually put in tins of sardines, for example. They have brine in that, and they evaporate that, and they get salt crystals. Or they literally do evaporate salt water to get the salt crystals. But the salt water isn't ocean water. It's just water that they've added salt to. They've added raw sodium to it, which they've usually mined, and then that salty water is put onto a drying field to be boiled and evaporated, usually by the sun, and then they harvest the salt crystals, and then you have it in your grinder, and then you put it on your food, and it tastes amazing.